I am Katie Smeldon. I'm a team coordinator with Legacy Ladies, and I wanted to pop onto the mega party tonight to show you guys different ways to use our Household Package Plus. In the Household Package Plus, we have the EnviroCloth, the window cloth, the dusting mitt, and the EnviroWand. So first, we'll talk about the EnviroCloth. So the EnviroCloth is really great for using kind of for everything in your house. It's Enviro-E for everything. Today I'm going to show you how to use it more so in conjunction with our window cloth. So these two are kind of associated with each other the most often because they are our basic package. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to clean the window over here. You can see that there's a lot of smudges on our window. So I'm going to go ahead and take this wet EnviroCloth first, and I'm going to go ahead and wipe the window down. And you want to make sure that you follow up with the window cloth as soon as you can so that it doesn't have too much time to dry. And all you do is you wipe it up and down, back and forth quick. And as you can see, all of those smudges are now gone off of the window. It's super simple and quick to do. Now these are really good together to also clean glass doors on an entertainment center, or they're really good for stainless steel appliances. Do the same thing. You just take a wet EnviroCloth, wipe down your stainless appliance, and then follow up with the dry window cloth. You can also use it for polishing natural countertops or stove tops if you have a flat top stove. Now with our dusting mitt, so this is a more high pile weave. It's going to pick up the dust a little better. I'm going to come over here to clean this hutch. So what's really nice is that I can reach around with my dusting mitt and get behind everything and around everything without too much issue. I'm not having to pick it up and set it off somewhere off to the side with a dusting spray, or so that I can put my dusting spray down and then follow up with a cloth and make sure I don't have any streaks left over everywhere. And that's also the really great thing about the dusting mitt, actually, is that because you're not using any dusting sprays, you're not going to have the residue left on the surface, so you're not going to attract dust as fast. So this actually will help you have to dust less. Let's go over here quick. I want to see if we can catch any other dust. It's good for on top of the TV. You can dust your TV screen. Another good product for the TV screen might be the window cloth if you have a couple of smudges you want to get off, or even I like to use our optic scarf actually. So it's just easy to get in and out, and like with these, like with all the little trinkets in here, if I had two dusting mitts, like one on each hand, I could pick this up and be dusting this at the same time as, you know, dusting everything else around at the same time. So you'd have two mitts on to be able to pick all that dust up, and it would make your job go twice as fast. So I don't know if you can see, I did get a little bit of dust on the dusting mitt. Now after I'm done dusting, I would go to the garbage can, and I have a rubber brush, our Norwex rubber brush, and I would use the rubber brush to brush the dust off into the garbage can. If you didn't have that, you can take this to the garbage can and just rub it up against each other that way. And both of those techniques will help you recharge the static that is in, that helps you pick up the dust. And the fourth product that we have in our Household Package Plus is the EnviroWand. So this is really great for reaching high surfaces. I'm going to come back to this hutch again because I don't know how often it has been dusted. And without having to get on a step stool or get up there to see, I can at least get around all of these decorations up here without having to get up on top. So really easily picking up the dust off of that. On top of the entertainment center, it would be really great as well. But it also bends. So if you wanted to get up onto a surface and that had like a ledge and you just didn't know how deep you wanted to go, you could do that. Or fan blades. You can go ahead and clean your fan blades this way. And it's going to collect all the dust because of those chenille-like fingers that it has on there. As you can see, no dust was falling, and we can get in between all of the lights. If you have any cobwebs up high in the corners, this is a great product to have as well. And another really cool thing about the EnviroWand is that the handle comes off. So if you happen to have our mop and have the telescopic mop handle, you can detach this from the EnviroWand and put this onto our mop handle, and you'd be able to reach vaulted ceilings. If you have a chandelier that is hard to reach and clean, you can use this. And this is also really great for dusting the walls if you wanted to do that. I know some people think, why would you dust walls? But like in here, there's textured walls and you might get some cobwebs. This would be really great for getting those off. So I hope that I've answered some of your questions about what these products can do. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below and ask the consultant that invited you to this party. Have a great night, guys.